Let's take a look at the female pelvis for BIOL 158. So here is the ovary. Let me turn this a little bit so we can see the ovary a little better right there. Okay. Coming out of the ovary, we're seeing that structure right there. That is the ovarian ligament. Next to that ovarian ligament and the ovary is this structure right there. That is the fallopian tubes. Now, where the fallopian tubes are getting close to the ovary, kind of zoom in a little bit here, right there, it enlarges, and that area is known as the infundibulum. And then we got a lot of these finger-like projections right here, and those are called the fimbria. So moving this back down, we're seeing what is known as a broad ligament. So this area here, it's just basically looks like the wall of the abdomen is the location of that broad ligament. You're seeing a little bit of it like right here as well. And then this one right here, this is known as the round ligament as well. So the next organ here is this right here. That is the uterus. Let's zoom in just a little bit on this. So looking at the uterus, the different regions of the uterus, this right here is the fundus. This region right here in the middle of the uterus, all this in this area is the body. And then the lower third in this area here is the cervix. Looking at the layers of the uterus, this layer is the perimetrium. So it's the outer layer here is the perimetrium. The middle muscle layer is the myometrium. And then the inner lining of the uterus is known as the endometrium. Next, this organ here is the vagina. And so we're seeing a couple layers here. The inner lining is the mucosa. And then this layer here is the muscular wall, which we also see on that side. If I move over here, we can see here's the labrum majora. Inside of that is the labrum minora. This is showing the clitoris right here. And then here, below the uterus right there, that is the urinary bladder. And then coming out of that right there is the urethra.